Not too much, regular wing. Crispy. Got lemon pepper seasoning on it. Let's give it a try. What is going on, YouTube? What is up, Ooh Squad? Today, yes, we are reviewing another food chain, which is Windy City. That's right behind me, you guys. We finna go in here and order something, man. I might order me some wings. My girl went in here and just used the restroom, so she probably orders, I don't know, a Polish or something. She don't really, you know how women is, man. They just want to just try a little something. But I'm gonna try their wings out, man. So stay tuned to the video. If y'all new to the video, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're not already subscribed and notified already. Please do that now. Make sure y'all give this video a like up. Don't worry about the Panera shirt, y'all. I was working here like maybe 6 months ago. Them people, yeah, got them, man, made me walk out. That's all I'm gonna say. They made me walk out, man. So we ain't even gonna worry about them today, y'all. What we're gonna worry about is just Windy City, y'all. Just Windy City, man. I'm gonna post a little clip right here in the beginning after I get done, you know what I'm saying, talking to y'all for a second, so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, a little bit about it. You know what I'm saying? Check that the little history out a little bit on it, and then we're gonna try our review, man. You know how we do it over here, man. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the notification bell so you don't miss, man. Ooh wee! Let's go.
On Simpson.
Getting her business out the mud is Dr. Crystal Cross.
I love to make people happy through food. I've always been that way. I had no idea that it would be on this large scale.
Crystal was a teacher and assistant principal for 17 years before moving from Chicago to the Alamo City.
Things don't come easy in Chicago. It's a hustle mentality.
The move had her leaving the classroom for the kitchen.
Ooh, wee.
Let's eat.
All right, you guys, we just left Windy City. Let's see what we got in here, man. I ordered some chicken. Bam! Look at that chicken right there, y'all. Ordered a 3-piece. Came with 3-piece with lemon pepper. Some crunchy ass fries, man. Got me some sauce right here. Let's try this, man. Let's dig in. First, let's try one of these fries. Banging. Damn. This boy is banging, man. I think we need some cheese with it. Yeah. That's good. All right, y'all, I'm back. Y'all know how to cook. I couldn't do it without the cheese. I gotta try with fries like that, tasting like that. I gotta try with the cheese, man. Look at that cheese. It's just melting. All steamy and liquidy. Let's try this fry with these cheese. Cheese a little dark. Fire, bro. Even better. Woo. All right, y'all. Enough for the fries. Let me give y'all what y'all came for. This chicken here, man. Chicken is about what? This like $6-7 for the fries and the chicken. Give you 3 wings. 3 wings ain't like strong and big and on steroids. They decent little wings, you know what I'm saying? Not too much, regular wing. Crispy. Got lemon pepper seasoning on it. Let's give it a try. Now, link the best chicken but it's fresh and nice out there, out that fryer, man. It ain't a day old chicken. It's straight out the pot. You're gonna have to wait on that, man. Let's try with the sauce though, y'all. Let's try with the sauce. Let's try that sauce with it. Oh, get that sauce action. I don't know the hype. I mean, it tastes like ketchup. But yeah, man, that's where we at. We at Windy City with it, Windy City Express. If y'all want to come in here and check it out, check it out. They got other options too, like fish, gyros, burgers, brats, sausages, all type of good stuff, man. So come check them out, man. Eight out of 10.
Getting her business out the mud is Dr. Crystal Cross.
I love to make people happy through food. I've always been that way. I had no idea that it would be on this large scale.
Crystal was a teacher and assistant principal for 17 years before moving from Chicago to the Alamo City.
Things don't come easy in Chicago. It's a hustle mentality.
The move had her leaving the classroom for the kitchen.
Saw you from afar, I wanna vibe with you. You got time, I want time with you. On your phone, pull it down with you. And tell your man I wanna split vows with you. Spin around, let your